Hi, my name is Excel, your Excel Sifu from YXL. Today, we are going to see how we are able to have the report title change dynamically as and when the day passes. Today is 15th of July 2019. If I want to submit this report tomorrow, I need to remember change the date from 15 to 16. So if let's say I've forgotten this step, so the report will be inaccurate. With these two steps I'm going to share with you, you are able to get this thing done easily and you can forget about it at all. So the very first step I want to get is today's date. Equal today, tab and close parentheses, Excel will return today's date. The second part, you want to show the wording before the date. So right click on the cell and choose format cells. Alternatively, you can use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+1 to achieve the same effect. I go to format cells. In the format cell dialog, we go to the number. We choose the last one, custom. In front of the date format we have, I just need to have a double quote and double quote. Then go left once. So as and when the wording I type will be in between the double quote. Right, to type daily report as of. You are able to see the wording appears inside the sample. So once it's done, I press OK. So you get this thing done easily. With these two simple steps, your report will dynamically change the date as and when you are outputting or you are generating it. So if you find this video useful and benefiting to you, please like and share with your colleagues and friends so they're able to benefit from this video as well. And my name is Excel, your Excel Sifu from YXL.